To keep your database clean and synced with your drawings, regular maintenance is essential. This ensures that any deleted components from your drawings are also removed from the database. Performing an audit is a simple process that takes just a few steps. After completing an audit, it's recommended to create a backup of your project. The Project Manager tool allows you to do this quickly with just a few clicks. To audit your project, open the Project Manager, right-click on Chapter 11, and select Audit Project. This checks for issues and ensures all database fields are properly synced. If no errors are found, proceed with creating a backup. To create a backup, return to Chapter 11 and select Create a Project Backup. The interface will guide you through the process, including selecting a backup location. Ensure that no other users are working on the model to prevent conflicts. Choose a location such as your desktop, create a new backup folder, and save the backup there. The system will estimate the required storage and time for completion. For small projects, this is a quick process, but larger ones may take longer. Once completed, a hyperlink to the backup folder is available. You can verify the saved project in the designated folder, complete with a timestamp for easy rollback. Regular audits and backups help maintain a clean database and prevent data loss. Running an audit before saving and exiting a drawing ensures any potential errors are addressed immediately. Developing a habit of routine backups is a best practice for project management.